Like, granted, I love cheap, y'all, so but some things be too damn cheap.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl, the Glam Empress, and I'm here with a huge SHEIN haul. And I'm so excited about this haul, you guys, because this haul is specifically for my makeup artist, my lash techs, shoot, my hairstylist, matter of fact, for that matter, any service provider out there. This haul is for you. We have a huge bag here, and y'all, why pay full price when you can get it for cheap? So if you want to see what I got in this haul, definitely stay tuned and watching this video. So y'all, I'm so excited to open up this bag. Now, why SHEIN had to give me a blank bag like this? I can't even show y'all the name and stuff, but it's alright, y'all. So we're gonna open up this bag because I got so much good stuff. And like I said, if you're a service provider, or if you're whatever you are, you know, y'all know SHEIN, like, she is the place to be. And I heard some rumors that she gonna be shutting down this year, and I hope it ain't true. But until then, we gonna be loading up and making sure we get some good stuff, because Amazon, she cool and all, but you know, if I can get it for a little bit cheaper, why not? You don't already know, I am a makeup artist at Sephora, and also I am a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician. And y'all already know that a lot of the things that we need, like, we have to keep buying stuff. We have to keep reinvesting in our business. And when we reinvesting in our business, we can go through items like that, y'all. And with us being licensed, or even if you're not licensed, but with us having proper sanitation and proper hygiene, you can't be using the same stuff on people over and over again. You have to constantly reinvest the money that you make and put it back into your business. So that's why I thought it was a good idea to go on SHEIN. And we got so much goodies, y'all. But that's why I thought it was a good idea to go on SHEIN and just buy a lot of stuff that I need as a makeup artist and as a licensed esthetician and as a service provider in general. So starting off, you guys, and as y'all can see, my vanity is in the back, and she needs to be organized along with the rest of this room, and I will be doing a room tour, so that's my little spiel. But anyway, you guys, so starting off, I got some spoolies. Ooh, and y'all, let me show y'all with this hand. That hand missing a nail. But I got some spoolies, you guys, and I thought these were super cute because they are pink and they're sparkly, and of course you can never have enough spoolies. And I don't know the price points to these. If y'all want me to put them down in the description bar, if y'all want me to link the links below, I can definitely do that. But everything was cheap, y'all. Everything was like 5 cents, $1, $3. Like, that's why I went on there. But can never have enough spoolies, and I also wanted to get the fancy ones as well. The next is some sponges, you guys, and I thought these were cute and fun. Can never have enough sponges as a makeup. Everything in here, you can never just have enough of it. So that's why we went on SHEIN. And then I want to start organizing my makeup vanity, as you guys can see. So I did get some cute little organizers, and these will be mainly for my spoolies, my cotton rounds, my sponges, and all of that good stuff. And it should be 2 more of these in here. Then I got an eyelash curler, a pack of lashes. And I know I might, so a lot of my clients and a lot of people that I work with, they do like the natural lashes. I don't know if these is natural enough, but I might end up wearing them. But I got me a pack of lashes because you can't go wrong with them. Also, I got an eyeliner aid. Now for me, you guys, like, I like to make sure that everything is precise, everything is precision. And then also when I'm doing mascara for the lower lash and for the upper lash, I like to use something like this just to make sure I'm not messing up the work that I did. And then also you can use this for your lips too when you're doing a lip liner on your client or for yourself. And then again, just some more organizers here for my vanity, and I will be doing like a vanity organizing video. If y'all want to see that, we can do that. And some disposable sponges, all different colors, super duper cute. Some more makeup sponges, and these are the triangle ones because I like to pack the powder under the eye with these. Some more disposable sponges, or no, sorry, more disposable powder puffs. Then also, as a makeup artist and a service provider, I got these. They're like the things that you use at the dentist where they put it around your neck. Well, we use these also at Sephora, and this is kind of just to prep your station. So I got some of these, and of course I gotta be color coded. I have to have pink, so I got pink. Well, what the heck is in here, y'all? I ordered so much stuff, I didn't forget what I ordered. Oh yes, my organizers. I got literally so many organizers, you guys, because if y'all can see what's behind me. But I got organizers to put in the drawer. I got some for lip liners. I got some for mascara. I got some for whatever I'm gonna use it for. I don't know. Powders, everything, you guys. But this is an organizer set, and this is a 5-piece organizer set. Oh no, wait, a 7-piece organizer set. More organizers, and I can put some lipsticks, and again just some brushes, or like I said, whatever I plan to use it for, I don't know yet. More lashes. See, these lashes that they be having on SHEIN, they be looking very dramatic, more dramatic than what I thought they was going to be. So these might scare my poor clients away, but I do have these. And then, oh, I got some gloves, y'all, because certain things we want to use gloves for, like if I'm doing facials, or if I have to do eyebrow waxing or whatever type of waxing, or anything that I need gloves for. I did get a pack of gloves. And then I'm not sure what this is. It's probably another organizer, but let's open it up and see. I think this is more organizers, and it's like, oh yes, more organizers. And this is for my eyeshadow palettes, because I have some of every size, so my mini eyeshadow palettes will go into here. Y'all, I'm so excited to organize this desk. And then let's see what this is. Oh yes, so as a makeup artist you definitely want to put your this is too damn cheap. Like granted I love cheap, y'all, so but some things be too damn cheap. Now this little flimsy thing, so this is the little palette. Y'all know when you don't want to put the makeup on the back of your hand and stuff like that. As a makeup artist and as a professional service provider, you want to pump your foundations and everything on here and just put all your products on here. But I thought this was going to be way bigger than what it was. Like, this is too damn cheap. Look, you can just... But I'm gonna make it work. And then the last few things that I have is, as a makeup artist, you always want to have a touch-up kit. At least for me, I'm gonna have a touch-up kit. So in my touch-up kit, I just got a pack of these reusable little bowl things with the lids. So you can put powder in it, you can put like lipstick in it as well, you guys. So it's probably safe to say that I need to get another pack. So I'll get another pack of these, but this is for my touch-up kit. And then the last few things here is I did go ahead and get some brushes, which I'm definitely gonna get some more, but I got 2 flat concealer brushes. And then I also got, I got an angle brush. I got 2 angle brushes, and this is specifically to do the contour on the nose. And I got one for me and I got one for my client. And you guys, I don't know if we should organize the desk now, but this is my makeup vanity. And I don't know if I want to do it right now, y'all, but I will probably have that in another video because I just got off of work and I'm tired. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys all of the wonderful things that I got from SHEIN. Because of what? Why buy it for full price when you can get it for cheap? But y'all, we don't want things too damn cheap. So guys, write me a comment below and let me know which items you found useful in this haul, what you plan to buy, and also let me know below any items that y'all think that I need to get as a licensed service provider. I know this wasn't a long video, but I thank you guys for tuning in. And if you love to see more videos like that, definitely click on the videos here on the screen if you are into more fashion haul or SHEIN hauls or whatever hauls you want to see. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.